All right, let's try this again. So the purpose of this video, and I'm only doing a live stream so I can upload to YouTube a lot quicker, is to point out a couple of changes I made to the build that's out on the forum, 1089. Couple of fixes, more important, that were preventing a couple of people from finalizing their themes on the forum, so I wanted to jump on this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to text games view, and let's see, any games view really. I'm going to add an image. And let's see, add an image. Select metadata. And let's see, one new metadata field I added for Farron was, where is it? Could have sworn I saw it somewhere. Database ID. There it is. I've added this one in case you need it. But the important fix, which is kind of prompted me to do this video and get a new build out on the forum, is this one. So if I select platform and I want it to come from devices, I guess I can put a fallback in. All right, and I'm going to save. Now, what I did earlier was I imported one game into this platform called, or this computer called Dragon 32/64. So that's the name of the computer. But we have other platforms out there too that have slashes and all this kind of stuff in it. And what it was doing, it was causing my theme creator to not display the associated image. Basically, it wasn't translating this slash into a underscore. All right. So if you had specified a fallback image, it would display the fallback image in its place. So anyway, that's fixed, and I wanted to take care of that now, because obviously, if people are using this mechanism within the theme creator, then I didn't want their themes to be broken, and hence the urgency behind it. Now, one of the things I want to kind of point out, while I was testing this particular change, I noticed an issue. So how can I go about this? So what I'll do, this is the default view. So I'm going to remove this image. So clearly this works now. This is being translated from Dragon 32/64, and the file behind the scenes is, well, I can tell you, I can show you. It is Dragon 32_64. All right. All right. So we don't need this. Let me blow that away. So this is the default theme. And actually, let me go back in. I'm sorry. Let me add a piece of text. And let's see. We'll make it, actually, white is fine. Make it 30. Default view. Let's make it centered, just so that we know. All right, so now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to Commodore Amiga. I'm going to paste. I'm going to go to Dragon 3264 and paste. And let's see. Instead of saying default view, Commodore Amiga. Yeah. And then this one is the Dragon 3264. All right. So Dragon 3264. All right. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to publish. All right. Exit the theme creator. I want to go to my themes folder. And this was Arcade Test 2. I want to have a look at the views. So I was messing around with the text games view, okay, the text list. And as you can see, we have one for Dragon 32_64, one for Commodore Amiga. Those are our two platform-specific views for the text view. And then this is our default right here. Okay, so I'm going to launch BigBox. All right, and we'll pick Arcade Test 2. All right, and we'll go up. Well, we'll go to Commodore 64, and we'll switch to the text view. All right, so there's our default view. I back out. I go down to Commodore Amiga. This is our platform-specific view, in this case, obviously, for Commodore Amiga. And then I go down to Dragon 32/64, and it's not going to the Dragon 32/64 view. It's going to the default view. So either I have named my views or this view incorrectly, or there is a bug in BigBox and it's not translating the platform name to this scheme here. So I've actually reached out to Jason Carr on this one. So like I said, if it's a naming convention on my side, I can easily fix that. If it's something that he needs to fix, then we'll just have to wait for him to make that correction and put an update out. But like I said, it was just one of the observations while I was testing this. One of my fixes. That is kind of it. I think the only other thing that I wish to show was another change. I showed there was another metadata field, but let's see. Wheel games, no. Let me go to, and of course I'm running 1090. Hello. I told you, I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible. All right. So text filters, text games. And then the other change that I made, and it was, well, it's not even an enhancement. So for the wheel, this opacity property had been here all the time. However, it didn't do anything. So I've I've just altered that and made the code generator generate the opacity keyword leveraging this value. All right, so that's across all wheels available within the theme creator. So like I said, that was another fix, and just a couple of little fixes, but the big one was the imaging. Like I said, I didn't want to hold anybody up, or at least if they had published a theme and they were getting a lot of feedback from end users saying these images aren't showing. So anyway, I just wanted to fix that as quickly as I possibly could. All right, that is pretty much it. I didn't have anything else to add. I've got nothing else to show at this point. Like I said, I was working on some fixes yesterday, so I'll be working on the future version of the theme creator now. All right, so that's it for now, at least until another week or so. All right, so